Heat engine. What is heat engine? Heat engine is a device that converts heat energy into mechanical or electrical energy. Assalamualaikum and hi. Before we continue our presentation, I would like to introduce our team starting from myself. I am Nizamuddin, a second year second semester student from Chemical Engineering Department. My colleagues Chun, Ghee, Shamimi, Hafiz and Megat. They are also from Chemical Engineering Department. Now, heat engines have been used for a long time, but they were first put to use in the 1690 by a French scientist, Denis Pepin, and are used in many things today such as plane engines. They continue to be developed until today. Now, I will pass to my colleague Chun to present about the process of heat engine.
Hi, I'm Chun. For information, I'm going to talk about the Carnot cycle. As can be seen on the graph, this is the Carnot cycle process. For process 1 to 2, this is an isothermal process. The gas is allowed to expand and thus float on the surrounding without a change in temperature. For process 2 to 3, this is an adiabatic process. The system is thermally insulated and there is no heat transfer in the system. For process 3 to 4, this is an isothermal process and the surrounding now does work on the system and causes the heat energy to flow out from the system. For process 4 to 1, this is an adiabatic process. The system is thermally insulated again. The surrounding does work on it and its internal energy increases. The system now gets back to its initial state as like stage 1. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Shamimi. Thermodynamic cycle is used to modeling device and system typically by making a series of assumptions. Some of the common assumptions in idealization of power cycle. First, no conduction of heat between parts of the engine at different temperature. Second, the cycle does not have any friction. The third, all expansion and compression are considered as quasi-equilibrium. Last but not least, no heat loss in pipe and other components. Remember that an ideal power cycle does not involve any internal irreversibility, thus one can conclude that on a TS diagram, a heat additional process proceeds in the direction of increasing entropy and vice versa. The area under the process curve on a TS diagram represents the heat transfer for the process. The area enclosed by the process curve on the TS and PV diagram represent the net work of the cycle. On the TS diagram, the vertical line represents an isotropic process whereby no heat transfer and it is reversible process. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Hafiz. I will tell you about the benefit of heat engine. First of all, heat engine have many advantages and the biggest advantages is it can easily convert heat energy, meaning that it can convert thermal energy into mechanical energy by process such as exothermic reaction, absorption of light, energetic particle, friction, dissipation and resistance. Other than that, nowadays heat engine has become important to human because it is now used widely in most of the transportation such as vehicle. The example of everyday based on heat engine that have give many advantages to human include the steam engine, diesel engine and the gasoline engine that had been used to run the automobile. As for the diesel engine, it is usually used in the big vehicles such as bus or truck. And as for the gasoline engine, it has been used in cars and motorcycles.
As for the conclusion, after studying heat engine, we can apply the knowledge for betterment of humanity and society. We can conserve energy without compromising the needs of future generation by developing a more efficient heat engine. Here are some ways we can increase the efficiency of heat engine. Reducing the friction of moving piston and friction of working fluid. It can be lubricants, engine oils or even the fuels. It is important as the cool reservoir is essentially the ambient temperature. In order to increase the efficiency, the temperature of hot reservoir must be increased. Also, increase the boiling temperature of working fluid. The pressure of the system can be increased. Thus, it is important for us chemical engineers to explore more about the heat engine for better future. I'm Megat, that's all from us. Thank you.